What up, y'all? It's your boy E, back again with another video, and this time I for real got a banger for you. Okay, so we went to Las Vegas, we went to the Magic Trade Show project, but most importantly we went to the sourcing trade show. So that's a trade show where all the factories from all over the world come to Las Vegas for 3-4 days, and you meet them all. And in this video, I got you 5 vendors. It's absolutely free. You don't have to pay us. You don't have to do nothing. All you gotta do is comment and subscribe if you want us to keep making content like this. All right, what up, y'all? So I'm at a trade show booth. As you can see, when you walk around, you can see all sorts of stuff. I mean, me and Isaac were just over at the packaging section, but y'all ask us all the time about embroidery patches, Chanel patches. You know, you could buy the blank varsity jackets from us, and if you want to go crazy with the patches, you don't want to do DTF or vinyl, this is a plug for y'all, all right? So they said their minimum is about 50 pieces. So, I mean, 50 piece minimum, like if you go to these trade shows, you're not gonna find that, so that's pretty good. What would be the pricing on like something like this?
It'll be something like about, for 50 pieces, about $5. Something
And that's including shipping and taxes and everything?
Yes.
So, I mean, you guys look at that. That's a $5 patch. You put it on your varsity jacket. You could upsell it for $60, $70, $80. What about for like some of the smaller stuff? Like, what are the prices on these?
Yeah, I mean, for the smaller sizes, it ranges from like $2 to $4, you know. Yeah, $2.
And for stuff like this, if they were to get like, you know, 300, 400, 500, does that price drop by a lot?
Yes, it drops a lot, you know. It drops down to like maybe $2, something like that. Yeah.
Yeah, so you guys see, like, when you go to these places, you're able to see what's possible. And if you get that for $2, 500 of them, that's $1,000. That's not that much money that you can invest into your brand and elevate it instead of just doing vinyl. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop their website. This is the card. You guys can screenshot this right here, okay? Andy, where should they reach out? Like, how can they order if they want to order?
They can just email me,
Uh-huh.
Andy@payyork.com. You know,
Okay.
and just email me the artwork,
Uh-huh.
the sizing, and we can certainly price it out for them.
So y'all take that email. You know we stay giving y'all free game. You guys can see they got bags and everything too. So they can make the bags, they customize it. What's the minimum order quantity for, like, if they want to order? Yeah. What's the minimum order quantity?
So the minimum is 100.
100 pieces. That's it?
Yes.
Okay. So what would be the price of something like this, just so they have an idea?
Roughly maybe like $10 about.
So 100 piece minimums, $10 each bag. That's FOB, or they have to pay for shipping?
It will be FOB after shipment.
Okay. So after shipping, how much you think?
You mean after shipment?
Yeah.
You mean you mean the price in the store or
$10 is FOB, right? Out of the factory? 10, 11, somewhere around there? Yeah. Okay. So that's one thing you guys want to learn too. It's called FOB. FOB is when you're negotiating the price, is what's the price when it comes out of the factory? Because after it comes out of the factory, you got to pay for taxes and you got to pay for shipping. Some of these guys, they'll do all of that for you, but usually for me, what I've seen is that you get a better deal when you negotiate a FOB price and then you go and do the taxes and shipping on your own. But as you can see, that's a $10 bag. If you cook that up, you could easily sell them for $50, $60, $70. So if you guys want to reach out to these guys and you want to get them, email or WeChat? Email? Email.
It depends on the customer.
Oh, okay. So that's the WeChat number, and then that's their email. If you guys want to make the bags, you know, this is who you want to contact, okay? You know we stay giving y'all free game now. Okay, so I know y'all be seeing all the shoes and the crazy stuff, the Air Forces and stuff like that. I'm gonna try to find that for you while we're at the trade show. But I did find you the slipper plug, okay? So as you can see, I mean, this is really cracking right now. They got the Bottega type stuff. You know, no shame to Yeezy, but you know, they got the Yeezy type stuff. You know what I'm saying? You could do the Crocs. So as you can see, this is like a shoe factory. And I'm gonna talk to the lady right over here. What's the minimums for like some of these?
1,000 pairs per color.
1,000 pairs per color.
Yes.
And then if they want to do like a different mold, right?
Yes.
Like let's say they want to change this shape a little bit. Is there a different minimum for that?
Yes, this kind we need to change the mold, so
Uh-huh.
need to open a new mold for the
Okay.
shape. So maybe the cost will be higher.
How much is like a mold if they wanted to get like a new mold?
Usually need 1,100 pairs per color.
100,000 pairs.
Yes.
But can they just pay for the mold fee and do a smaller run?
Sure, sure.
How much is the mold fee?
Uh,
Roughly. It's not. I'm not gonna quote you on it.
Usually the mold fit need 10,000. 10,000.
$10,000 for one mold fee. Okay, so that's the thing about the shoes, guys, is that if you want to just, so if they want to just, make a different color or add a logo, it's 1,000. But if they want a whole new shoe, it's 10,000 for the mold fee, or it's 100,000 in pairs, right?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So whenever you guys make these shoes, that's the one thing about shoes that's very difficult is that yes, you can just copy and paste. You can just take this shoe, you can change the color, and then you can put your logo on it and order 1,000 pairs and you're good to go. However, if you want to make the shoe a different silhouette and you want to change the stuff of it, they have to get a mold. And that mold can be $10,000 just for the molds, just to get it to where they can make it that way. Or you have to put them in minimum order of 100,000 pairs. So those are things to think about. That's why shoes is really difficult to get into. But this is just the sandals. Last question. So what's the average price on something like this? Like,
Right.
okay, give me this one.
Difference.
Like this one, what's the average?
Price It's
For 1,000
around-
pairs.
it's around $3.
$3. And then what about the Crocs?
Cost is around 350.
$3.50. And then these, like the Bottega ones?
This one is higher, maybe
Yeah,
$5. Yes.
Okay, is that FOB or is that
FOB.
FOB?
But only
Okay,
for
uh-huh.
polybag packing.
Okay. Oh, so that doesn't include the box.
Yes.
Okay. So again, guys, the FOB, you got to go back to FOB is the factory price, because after that, the $3, the $5, you got to add on taxes and shipping, and a lot of times taxes and shipping can be double that. So a $3 shoe, once it gets to your crib or your warehouse, it might be a $6 shoe. So just keep those things in mind. And if you guys want to order from them, they email, sorry,
yes.
email this one.
Yes, this
Okay,
one.
cool. If you guys want to order from them, this is the email right here, okay? So y'all could tap in. This the factory right here. And usually I will go download WeChat or WhatsApp, because that's how you're going to really tap in and you're going to talk to them. So this is the contact right here. All right, y'all, so I found the shoe plug for you guys. And remember earlier I was telling you about the molds? Well, a lot of these shoes right here, the silhouettes are already pretty dope to where you don't have to get a mold. So you can get a lower minimum. You can just customize the colors, put a logo, put a swoosh or a lightning bolt or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Don't get sued. I'm not saying to copy and get sued, but you get the point. Like, you can cook these up and sauce these to where they're different colorways. So the lady, she's trying to ghost me right now, but I'm gonna try to get this game for y'all. I was trying to get the email and stuff, but she was like, no. But let me get the email for y'all just in case you want it, okay? 600 pairs, and then what's the FOB price?
For the FOB price,
Uh-huh.
it's about $7.80.
$7.80.
Yes. Too expensive?
That's nice. That's cheap. That's it. And they could customize. You could put something, like designs and stuff on there.
Yes, you can put a logo
Uh-huh.
as you want.
Wow, that's cheap. That's good price. Sorry, we're just doing content. I do, Instagram.
Yeah.
Instagram.
Yeah.
We have an Instagram. So
Okay.
like we try to teach people. What about this one? What about these?
This is the same style.
Same? Yeah. Same style, same price.
Style, just
You
different colors.
you can't do men's sizes in these?
Yes.
Oh, you do men's size? How much is men's size?
Men's size is about 60 cents more than the
60
lady
cents
size.
more.
Yeah.
That's crazy, y'all. Only 60 cents more. What else y'all got? Let me see. What's the hot sellers? What else is selling good for you?
The one you selected
All of these,
already
right?
very good selling styles. We already put in production.
Oh, okay. Oh, what about this one? Y'all like this one? What's the price on this?
It's about $8.90.
$8.90.
Yeah.
But what about without all the stuff? Cheaper?
Yeah.
'Cause this is
Without the
cheaper?
because
Without it?
this one is about $1.
$1?
Yeah.
$8.90.
Yeah. Without
And
this.
600 piece minimum?
Yes.
600. Does it includes the box or no?
Includes the box. Normal box.
Oh,
maybe
normal
no-
box.
Yeah, just very
No
normal.
design, nothing, right? Just
Just
normal?
put a logo.
Yeah.
But not very complicated box.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
You
What about
look
these? How much?
Live.
No, we do a video. do a video. Is it okay? Can I give them your business card? Guys, this is crazy because other people charge for this vendor information. I'm giving it to you for free. I don't need nothing. You don't even need to subscribe because this information is so good. All of these shoes, y'all saw the prices, man. If you cook it up, if you put your money together and you figure this out, you could turn $20 into $200. You cannot make that selling weed these days. So, this is the contact information. Guys, get the email, but like I said, in this game, it's the WeChat and the WhatsApp. That's how you want to get in contact with them. So, take that number down and download those apps because that's how you really going to get in contact with my girl right here. And she going to help you out, okay?